Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change language in Grok. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Grok and press enter. From the results, click on the official Grok website to access the platform. Once the homepage loads, look at the bottom left corner, find the profile icon, and then select settings from inside it, usually shown as a gear symbol. Inside the settings menu, locate the language option. Next to it, click on the Change button to open a drop-down list of available languages. Scroll through the list and select your preferred language. As soon as you choose a language, the interface will update automatically. All menus, options, and sections will appear in the selected language, making navigation easier and more comfortable. You can return to the settings anytime to switch languages again based on your preference. So that's basically how you can change language in Grok. That's it for this video. Thanks.